If you think you've seen everything drones can do, 2026 is here to prove you wrong. DJI has officially pushed the boundaries of what's possible, shrinking professional-grade sensors into tiny frames and introducing AI tracking that feels like having a personal film crew in your pocket. Let's see which one belongs in your gear bag. The DJI Neo 2 is the ultimate evolution of the selfie drone, weighing in at a feather-light 151 grams. It's designed to be launched directly from your palm, but don't let the size fool you. It now packs a dual-axis mechanical gimbal and 4K video at a smooth 60 frames per second. The biggest upgrade this year is the inclusion of full omnidirectional obstacle avoidance and LiDAR sensors, making it virtually impossible to crash, even in tight indoor spaces. It uses new AI cycle tracking to keep you perfectly framed while you're moving, and you can control the whole thing via voice or simple hand gestures. With a flight time pushed to 19 minutes and a new internal screen to quickly toggle modes, it's the perfect companion for vloggers who want high-quality aerial shots without the hassle of a traditional controller. It's tiny, quiet, and incredibly smart. Check the description below for the latest pricing and bundle options for the DJI Neo 2. The DJI Air 3S is the perfect middle ground for creators who need professional results without the bulk of a Mavic. This year's model features a brilliant dual camera system led by a primary 1-inch CMOS sensor that captures stunning 50 megapixel stills in 4K HDR video. The secondary 70mm medium telephoto lens gives you that cinematic compression that makes your footage look like a big-budget movie. Safety has taken a massive leap with the introduction of forward-facing LiDAR, allowing the Air 3S to detect obstacles even in pitch-black conditions. With a 45-minute flight time and 42 gigabytes of built-in storage, you can stay in the air longer and worry less about SD cards. It's a rugged, all-weather workhorse that delivers 14 stops of dynamic range, making it a dream for landscape photographers and travel filmmakers alike. You can find the direct link to the DJI Air 3S and its Fly More combos in the description below. The DJI Mini 5 Pro has officially broken the small drone stigma by being the first under 250 grams drone to feature a massive 1-inch CMOS sensor. This means you get flagship-level image quality and incredible low-light performance without the need for FAA registration in many regions. The new gimbal design allows for a staggering 225 degrees of rotation, enabling true vertical shooting for social media, and even looking straight up for unique creative angles. It boasts an insane 52-minute flight time with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, which is unheard of for a drone this size. Combined with upgraded ActiveTrack 360 and night vision obstacle sensing, it's essentially a professional studio that fits in your jacket pocket. For travelers and hobbyists who want the best possible image in the most portable package, this is the undisputed king. I've put a link to the Mini 5 Pro and its various battery kits in the description area below. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is a masterpiece of aerial engineering, featuring a revolutionary infinity gimbal that can rotate a full 360 degrees. At its heart is a triple Hasselblad camera system, led by a 4/3 CMOS main sensor that outputs a jaw-dropping 100 megapixels. This drone is designed for high-end cinema, capable of recording 6K video at 60 frames per second across all 3 lenses. It features the new O4 Plus transmission system, providing a crystal-clear 1080p feed from up to 30 kilometers away. With a flight time of 51 minutes and an all-new tennis ball camera housing that protects the glass during transport, it's the most ambitious consumer drone ever made. It even includes advanced AI features that can predict subject movement to ensure you never lose a shot during complex chases. If you demand the absolute best in image quality and flight performance, this is the benchmark for 2026. Check the description below to find the Mavic 4 Pro Creator Combo and the latest professional accessories. For those who want to experience the thrill of flight firsthand, the DJI Avatar 2 is the ultimate FPV, first-person view, experience. This Cinehoop-style drone is built with integrated propeller guards, making it tough enough to bounce off walls and keep flying. It's paired with the Goggles 3, which provide a low-latency 1080 p/100 frames per second feed that makes you feel like you're sitting in the cockpit. The new Easy Acro feature allows beginners to perform flips, rolls, and 180-degree drifts with a single tap on the Motion Controller 3. Despite its focus on speed and agility, it still features a high-quality 1/1.3-inch sensor that captures 4K/60 frames per second HDR video with rock-steady stabilization. It's the perfect tool for capturing high-energy, immersive footage that traditional drones simply can't replicate. Whether you're diving down mountains or weaving through forests, the Avatar 2 makes extreme cinematography accessible to everyone. All the details and purchase links for the DJI Avatar 2 FPV bundles are listed in the description below. That's the 2026 DJI lineup, from the pocket-sized Neo to the cinema-grade Mavic. No matter what your budget or skill level is, there's a drone here that will help you see the world from a completely new perspective. All the links are waiting for you in the description, so go grab the one that fits your style. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more drone deep dives and flight tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.